Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nikunj Upadhyay and today's video will be about the part-time jobs here in Canada for the students. Lately, a lot of my friends from the same course have been asking me this question, and a lot of my other friends, those who are coming in this fall and in January, they are asking me this question of what part-time jobs are the best for students to apply and how. In this video, I'll be explaining more on that. Also, do check out my video on average rent according to your college and the locations that are near to your college. Click on this icon and you'll get an update about that. Also, do let me know in the comment section of what new topics you want the videos for. Also, stay till the end wherein I'll be saying more about the average pay of each job that you get. So again, for this video I have taken a few notes of frequently asked questions by you guys, by my friends as well, about the part-time jobs here in Canada. So I would start with how many hours can you work as a student in a part-time job, because this is like, this seems very simple that you can work 20 hours, but it's not like that. You can even work for 40 hours during your reading week. So let me explain about that. So you can work 20 hours in your part-time job when your college is going on. For example, York University students, every 2 months they have a reading week of 10 days wherein they can work 40 hours, because you are not in college, your course has a break. So in that break you can work. For people in Seneca College or any other college that has their break in December, they can work 10 days or like 15 days, but they can work 40 hours during that time, during their break. Also, there is one important thing, that if you are working in campus, if your job is on campus, because a lot of colleges offer on campus job, for example, research assistant, marketing assistant, professor assistant, something like that. Even my friend who is a digital content creator at Seneca, if you have any such job, you can work 20 hours on campus and 20 hours off campus as well. So that's a big advantage if you have a on campus job, and that gives a good boom to you, because even those jobs in colleges, they pay you above average pay. And even if you work other way, like because legally you can work like 20 hours outside the campus and 20 hours inside the campus, like that. But yeah, on campus jobs are difficult to get, but it's not impossible to get. So yeah, do check out the on campus job. And our second, which is the most important question, of what are the best jobs for students to go for. So security job, the security job is, you need to have a license for that. I'll be stating down what is the cost for the license as well. So for Seneca students, security license, you get it at a discounted rate through SSF. But other than that, it usually costs around like $100 for security license. Then you have to get your first aid as well, which costs around like $50 to $75 as well. So in total, when you give the exams, it goes, because there are a lot of third party agencies that give you the security license, which costs around like $300 to $250 approximately, like that. In security job, you can get your position as a I'll say concierge, in a concierge, as an admin of a building, in a lobby, or something like that. You can also get a security positions at malls, because here a lot of, like, the mall shut really soon, so after that they do require some. You can also get security jobs in college buildings as well. A lot of students do this job, but I just feel that one con of this job is that unless until you get a concierge job, or in a lobby, or in a building, or in a safe area, because there are a lot of, I don't want to say that name, but yeah, there are a lot of areas here which are not safe for students as well. And to get such safe options, then only I would say go for the security job, or else you can definitely look for the other jobs that I'll be listing soon. So now we are talking about the server jobs, the server restaurants, working in a restaurants job. So there are like two types of restaurants here. First, there is a fast food chain, and the other is like the chain of restaurants that have dine-in. So the difference between the fast food chain is that you don't get much tips, and in a restaurant basis you get good tips. Like that also depends on the restaurant. But yeah, how to get this job, how to get a server job? First you have to apply for a license called a smart serve license. Now again, for Seneca students, this license is at a discounted price on the SSF page only, and you can get it on a discounted rate. But people who are not like the colleges who don't offer this discounted rate, you can get this license for $45 to $50, I guess. I don't know the exact amount, but yeah, $45 mostly. And you can get this license, and then you can go to the restaurants and apply for the server jobs. So now, what is a server job? You have to take orders, you have to greet the customers when they sit on the table, and you have to like there is a typical mentality that even I used to have, that it's like a waiter job, but it's so nice here when you interact with people out. You just need the smart serve license, that too just for serving. If the restaurant is serving alcohol or something, you need a smart serve license, or else you can just go to the restaurant. There are many Indian restaurants as well, but I would say that do go for like 5-star restaurants, because the tips are the most important thing. Like, you are getting an average pay and you are getting tips, and I would say that the tips that I get are more than the average pay that I have for 20 hours of working. So that's a major advantage, and it is really fun to interact with people. If you are a people's person, if you are looking to interact with people and enjoy your stay here, meet with new people, then it's a good job. So that's it for the servers and the restaurant jobs. Now let's I used to work at Walmart, and now I'll be explaining about what are the Superstore jobs, or Walmart, or about like Walmart and Superstore jobs. You don't need any license. You just go there. There are different positions to apply for: customer service, stocking. So there are different positions where you can apply in fresh and meat as well. So look out for that. Even if you have a security license, you can apply at these stores, because the security work at these stores is really cool. You just have to go around and see if none of the customers are stealing something or not. But yeah, this is a really good job as well. I used to do that, and for the average pay, stick to the end of the video. Thank you. Also, the things that I mentioned were the superstores. It's applicable to any of the stores, retail stores that you go. Okay, so it's not just for Walmart or the superstores that I mentioned. It is applicable to any of the stores you go. Now it comes to the factory jobs. I know this because a lot of people want to apply for the factory jobs. They feel like they'll get the night shifts and they get a good pay. Yeah, yes, they do get a good pay, but it depends on how far is this location, because there are a few places that are away from the city that do pay you good, but again, they are away from the city. Your travel time is getting consumed. Okay, so about factory jobs, you don't really need any license for that. You just need your skills. You need confidence for all the jobs, definitely. But yeah, you just need your skills. You need to present yourself really well, and the factory jobs are very easy to get, but they are again away from the city, and they are mostly night shifts as well. You don't want to mess up your sleep schedule when you have like a lot of assignments on board. So the next one is really popular because a lot of people from India only know about the telecalling jobs. Again, I haven't worked, but I have interviewed for a telecalling companies as well. So the main thing that you need for these jobs is that you need to be bilingual, because being bilingual is an asset here. So what are these telecommunications job or telecalling jobs? These jobs, admin jobs, customer service jobs, these jobs are mainly just about you talking to people. And here, French is an important language. A lot of people do speak French here. Also, the other thing is that Canada is the most diverse country as well, and also the people living around here speak different languages. So you need to either be bilingual, you need to know more than like two languages at least, then you have a good chance for that. Yeah, that's about the telecalling and the customer service job. Let's switch on to the next one. Last one is about Uber and Uber jobs or food delivery jobs, because these jobs are really high paying jobs. Again, during winters these jobs are very hectic. Okay, and on top of that, you need to invest on a vehicle maybe, you can definitely do it walking as well, but it won't make you much money. It will rather depend on how fast you are. Again, it depends on area, it depends on your availability as well. But yeah, that's also a plus point, that it gives you a flexibility that you can do this job whenever you are free. Because a lot of my friends, again, yeah, this does count in your 20 hours. Okay, so it's not like that you will do 20 hours and then you will do this, because everything is on your sin number. Like, so yeah, again, the main con is that you need to have a vehicle, maybe for winters, or a cycle, which is also a big investment. Cycles here cost around, if you want a basic one, it costs around like 100, 150, 180 from Walmart somewhere. But yeah, if you want an electric one, also cycles get stolen here like anything, even I was wondering, like, who would steal a cycle. But here people steal cycle in broad daylight. Okay, so if you're making such investment, think like 100 times. They'll like remove your one tire and take the entire cycle as well. I have seen that happen. My friend's cycle was gotten stolen, my brother's cycle got stolen. So yes, always make sure to rethink 100 times before making such investments, because the Uber and DoorDash jobs do need that, because distance is the main thing. The farther you travel, the farther you deliver, the more you get. Again, this is a good paying job, and people, like, a lot of my friends are doing it. In summers, it doesn't get paid much because a lot of people are doing it. And yeah, it depends on the surges. Like, if there are a lot of people in one area who are doing that delivery, you won't get much pay. So you can at times also get like minimum pay, like less than the minimum pay as well. So yeah, do check that out, and think before you make any investment. So about the on-campus jobs, because a lot of people don't know how to apply for the on-campus jobs. So for York University, on-campus jobs are available on Indeed. For Seneca students, on-campus jobs are available on their social media profile. For other colleges, I don't have much idea about it, but yes, do check out the I'm sorry, the website of your college. Do have a word with the admin of the college. Do ask them that I want to apply for an on-campus job. How can I get it? They'll surely help you out with it, and it is a big asset, because when you work on campus 20 hours, you can also work off campus 20 hours. That makes you like 40 hours a week, and that is a lot, and that really helps you guys. So yes, this is about the on-campus jobs. Do So now let's the main thing that you have been waiting for, the average pay. Yes, so guys, this was it for the jobs here, part-time jobs here, and how much you'll get paid for it. That's about it, I guess. I will be having that link of the resume format just in case if you need that. And I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section and give a thumbs up if you really like the video. Thanks.